Child labor. According to the Indian law, children below the age of 14 years cannot be employed to any type of work forcefully, whether by the parents or owner in factories, offices or restaurants. Child labor has become a biggest social issue in India, which needs to be solved on urgent basis by the support of both people and government. It is not the responsibility of the government only. It should be swallowed and taken care by all the parents, owners and other social organizations. Healthy children are the bright future and power of any country. Thus, child labor is damaging, spoiling and destroying the future of the children and finally the country. Poor children are more prone to be involved in the child labor, as they are forced by parents to earn some money to give economic help to their family in the very young age. Similarly, if the adults of the family are unemployed, the young ones have to work in their place. Moreover, when people do not have access to the education, they will ultimately put their children to work. Business owners of the industries, mines, factories, etc. are using child labor at great level in order to get more work at low labor cost. There is need of more effective and strict government laws against child labor in order to prevent children from working in their little age. Child labor is still practiced in many countries, even after being a big crime. Every family must earn their minimum income in order to survive and prevent child labor.